So I wrote a novel. It's called We Are Icarus, and it's coming out on the 14th of March. It's about what would happen if we could really come up with a virtual world that's fully indistinguishable from reality. You can really do whatever you want, not get hurt, not have any consequences for your action, but you're not in reality. Sort of like the Matrix. But the real world, the world that your body is in, is not a pretty world. And so the question is really, why would you want to leave the virtual world and do anything in reality? That's what We Are Icarus works through in the narrative of the story. It follows a guy who becomes disenfranchised with the perfect world that he's living in and tries to escape, but runs into many problems. This book is full of allusions to works of philosophy, theology, great literature. It's packed with a lot of really dense ideas, and I hope that it makes my readers think. I've had a great time writing. Fiction is something that I've been trying to get into a lot more. I think it's really helpful to get big ideas into packages that are accessible, and I really hope that you'll read it. When it comes out, it will be free on Kindle Unlimited for a little while, I think 90 days, and otherwise it's up on Amazon. The link is in the description.